Hello, I am James Kane. This is my bow shuriken tutorial. I've brought out 3 different bow shurikens to test today and show you guys what's up. I have the construction nail. Took the head off, a little bit of a point there. We hold that one like this, pinch with the thumb. I brought out a lag bolt, cut off both ends, sharpened it up. This one I hold like that. I keep way up high, smaller. Cup around, away you go. The rebar. This one I throw a little different. It's got this nice flat bit, so I use my index finger on that flat bit. And I hold it like that. Now the reasoning that I'm placing my hand where I'm placing it is that I know my push point and the place I'm going to slide is just above half where the weight is. So the weight's at half, my fingers are just above half. Because I know as soon as I go to release, my main push is down just a little bit from where my fingers are, because I'm going to come down and then my main push is just going to be right there. If my main push is right at half, it's going to give you a really good feel when you let go, because these things don't fly straight like a dart. Okay, they might fly straight like a dart if I was standing right here in front of the target and I just wanted to label it in. Well, sure. But if you want to get any distance and you want to start, having a lot of fun with these, you got to understand that they fly like that, right? It's going to come out of your hand, fly, and then come down. So you've got to concentrate on number one, making sure the general weight, this weight that's in the middle, is what's going to fly. It's going to come down, but you got to get used to being able to come through the middle of this. That's a hard concept to get. Start close, work your way back. I got some slow-mo and stuff that you can watch after this and get a real good gist of how the motion goes. Because it goes like this and you release here. Here. It goes over by itself. Alright, well, check out the videos. Yeah, alright. Well, that was fun. Hopefully you found those videos informative. I like the slow-mo myself for being able to really watch what's happening with your arm movement, where you're letting go, and why that's working. You know, if you're having trouble yourself, videoing yourself is not a bad idea. It's a good idea. At any rate, this is the other thing I forgot to mention. These are pretty solid log rounds. You don't typically throw at something like that when you're just learning. Find yourself a cardboard box, find yourself some styrofoam, you know, anything that's going to stick in easily so you get rewarded more quickly. As you progress and you start throwing harder, you'll be able to stick it in log rounds, no problem. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care.